Hello friends, good day. Today I would like to discuss the topic on application for masters in UK, and many of the students who are interested to masters in UK can watch this video. In this video I would like to share the information regarding how to apply studies in UK, and after application how to approach the universities for getting a seat, and after coming over here on type 4 visa, what are the opportunities that the students can have, and what is the cost of living over here, and to meet the cost of living, and regarding the working, what are the jobs that the students are eligible to do, and how many hours per week the students are eligible to do, and what is the minimum basic pay that they can get will be discussed in this video. Regarding the application of course, the students who are interested to do masters or undergraduate programs in the certified British universities, they need to go through IELTS. They need a band good IELTS score for this. In this test, they will test what are the listening, reading, writing and speaking components of the writer. A minimum all the universities in here UK, top universities generally they'll ask for a score of 7.5 band, and the minimum will be 6. Usually before, some of the universities in UK are used to conduct a Skype test where the reading and speaking skills have been tested, but as a growing demand, all the universities in UK have made it compulsory to get a good IELTS score to get a admission in all the universities, but it is not confirmed yet. Those who are having a good band score will be given the first priority to get seats in most of the universities. So it makes us to all the students have to go through IELTS to secure a seat. And the next topic I want to discuss about, after getting a good IELTS score, how to approach the universities. There are many consultancies all over the world that who can guide you from there to the university where you can get a good seat. As I am from India, I can give you a contact of a consultancy who can guide you to get a seat in any universities that you would like to study. Regarding studying, most of the knowledge that you can acquire here is by self-studying. The interaction with the professor will be only 20%, and the knowledge that you can get on your own through research is 80%. So it will develop a skill that you can earn knowledge on your own. This is the best thing that you can observe in most of the universities in UK. Coming to cost of living, it differs from place to place. That means I would like to say that what's the differences in between London and within the London and outside the London. Coming the first point regarding rents. So within the London, to acquire a single room for a person, they will charge about 300 to 350 pounds per month. And outside the London, the charge will be of 120 to 180 pounds per month. After rents, coming to our daily essentials and survival, in outside London, the expenses we can expect is 150 to 200 pounds per month, and within the London the cost difference will be more than 200 to 250 pounds per month. So the total expenses for the person we can expect to spend is 400 to 450 pounds within outside London, and 600 to 650 pounds within the London. Next, coming to part-time job opportunities, students can search for part-time job opportunities within UK, where they can expect a pay of 8.75 pounds per hour for the students who have an age of more than 25 years, and for the students with age below 25 years, they will get a pay of 8.2 pounds per hour. Students during the college working days are allowed to work for only 20 hours work week, which is mentioned in their respective visas, and now during the college holidays they are permitted to work for 40 hours per week. Coming to PSW, post-study work visa. After completion of studies here in UK, the students are eligible for PSW. As per the latest information provided by UK government, the students who will be graduated by May 2021 are eligible for post-study work visa. Do you have any questions? Please comment below. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.